Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Next question, if y is directly proportional to x and y is equals to 20 when x is equals to 5. So according to the given information, they are saying that the two variables y and x are directly proportional to each other. It means that y is directly proportional to x. So y is equals to directly proportional to x. It means that y is equals to kx and k is the constant value. The value of k is constant, any constant. When this constant value is multiplied by x, then it will be equal to y. So first we will find the value of k by using the information which is given, that is y is equals to 20 when x is equals to 5. So by this information we will find the value of k. So the value of k will be, putting the value of y 20 is equals to k into x. The value of x is 5. So 20 divided by 5 will be equal to k. So k must be equal to 5 4s are 20. It means that the value of k will be 4. So it means that in the first part they are saying that find an equation connecting x and y. So the equation will be y is equals to kx and the value of k is 4, so y is equals to 4x. This will be the equation that is connecting y and x, means that y must be equal to x when x is multiplied by 4. In the second part they are saying that draw the graph of y against x. So now we have to find the graph of y against x. So to draw the graph we will use the equation y is equals to 4x. First we will put x is equals to 0. So when x is equals to 0, y must be equal to 4 into 0 and y must be equal to 4. It means that the one point is 0 comma 0, means when x is 0, y must be also be 0. Now we will take x is equals to 1. When x is equals to 1, then y will be equal to 4 1s are 4, y will be equal to 4. So the point will be 1 comma 4. X is 1. When x is equals to 1, then y is equals to 4. Now another value, putting the value of x2 or taking the value of x2, then y must be equal to 4 into 2. 4 2s are 8. So the point will be having the coordinates of 2 comma 8. Now we have 3 points, 0 comma 0, 1 comma 4, 2 comma 8. The values of x is 0 2 and 4, 0 1 and 2. So I have taken on x axis 0 1 2 and 3, and on y axis the values are 0 4 8. So the value 0 4 8. So I have plotted the values by taking a gap of 2, 0 2 4 6 8 and 10. So 0 4 and 8 will be plotted. ये मैंने यहाँ पे जो वैल्यूज़ का गैप इस वजह से लिया है क्योंकि ये वैल्यूज़ मैक्सिमम 8 तक जा रही हैं, तो इस वजह से मैंने यहाँ पे 2 2 का गैप देके 8 तक वैल्यूज़ लेनी है. अगर वैल्यू मेरे पास छोटी होती, 4 तक वैल्यूज़ आ रही होती, तो फिर मैं 1 1 का गैप दे के भी ले सकता था, 0 1 2 3 4 तक ले लेता. तो ये वैल्यूज़ के हिसाब से आपको गैप देना होता है. तो पहली वैल्यू मैं प्लॉट करता हूँ 0 comma 0. तो पहला पॉइंट ये आ जाएगा आपके पास 0 comma 0. Second value 1 comma 4. When x is 1, y is 4. So it means that when x is 1, y is 4. So 1 comma 4. Third point is when x is 2, y is 8. When x is 2, y is 8. When x is 2, y is 8. We can also plot the value of 3. When x is 3, then 4 3 are 12. Then y. When x is 3, then y will be equal to 4 into 3, 4 3s are 12, then y must be equal to 12. So the point will be 3 comma 12. So when x is 3, then y must be equal to 12. So it means that 12 will be here, 3 comma 12. Now matching these all the points, I have matched the value, matched the points. So this is the line of the equation y is equals to 4x. In the second part, they are saying that draw the graph of y against x. So the graph of y against x of the equation y is equal to 4x is this. So this is the question. Inshallah, in the next we will start the next question. Assalamu alaikum.